Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you are facing Instagram post unavailable, then you have come to the right video. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Instagram post unavailable issue. Watch complete video to know how to fix it. Sometimes our friends or family members share a post or Instagram story but we see post unavailable. Generally it happens when they share a story or a post of a private account which you are not following. Because we cannot see stories and Instagram posts of private Instagram accounts if you are not following them. The easy and simple solution of this problem is that ask your friend to take a screenshot of the story or post of the private account and send you. In this way you will be able to see that story or post. Instead of taking screenshot, there is another solution of this problem. If your friend sends you a link of that private Instagram account and you start following that account, now, if he shares an Instagram story or post of that account, you will also be able to see that. These are two easy and simple solutions of this problem. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe Let Me Guide channel to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.